Guys, are you ready for a sneak peek of what's been going on here at East Tennessee Flippers? Hey, it's Keith here with East Tennessee Flippers, and just wanted to update you on a little bit of progress that I've been making. Well, as you can see, I've got the electricity finally wired in here. So I've got some more lights coming next week, but right now this is what we've got, which works in a way. But yeah, it makes it a little harder to do videos, but I can still walk around and get up here in the light and stuff. But what I've got, I went with two 4-foot Bluetooth speaker lights that are linkable. They link together there, and they actually come in quite nice. And then right now I've got my ring light back there. I've got my scales back here. The bins haven't been labeled yet, but I've got those. I still got to get a couple more bins, and start putting the product in the bins where they go. But other than that, guys, I mean, I just wanted to kind of get on here and update you on where I'm at. Hopefully, possibly here in the next day or two, I'm going to be trying to hop on and test out some lives. Y'all need to let me know how that goes. Hopefully y'all will join me on them. But originally on these shelves, I wanted to talk about those real quick. Originally on those shelves, I in the last video, I was contacted by East Kentucky Picker, and he gave me some advice on what to do. So these, there used to be 6 support beams between these. So I took out the support beams, and now there's only 3. And that actually kind of helped out quite a bit. I do want to thank Mike for that idea. And the clear bins idea was kind of his also, but I finally was able to find some of those in stock. But here in the next couple days, I'm going to try to get these filled up with product, get the bins labeled, get some other stuff going. Hopefully get some more inventory here soon. But other than that, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Just remember, guys, there's always somebody out there that's got it worse than y'all do, and just keep on keeping on.